Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about motivational letter. A motivational letter is an important part for your application for a PhD program or master's program or bachelor's program. It provides you with an opportunity to explain why you are a strong candidate for the program, what motivates you to pursue PhD, and how your research interests align with faculty and resources of institution. Here are some key elements to include in your motivational letter. First of all, introduction. Start with a strong opening paragraph that grabs the reader attention. You can use a personal anecdote or compelling quote or a brief overview of your academic background and interests. So first of all, you need to introduce yourself with a compelling quote or a brief overview of your academic background and interests. And then your background. Briefly summarize your educational background, highlight relevant degrees, academic achievements, and any research experience that is pertinent to a PhD program you are applying for. So if your academic background is similar to the PhD program which you are applying, then it will be a plus point. Research interest. Clearly and concisely state your research interest and explain how they align with department or faculty you are applying to. Be specific about the area or topic you want to pursue and mention any relevant research experience, publication, or projects. Why this program? Explain why you are interested in this specific PhD program and institution. This part is very important. Discuss how the program's faculty, resources, research centers, or special features align with your academic and research goals. Your motivation. Share your motivations for pursuing a PhD in your chosen field. Describe what drives your passion for research and why you are committed to making a significant contribution to your field. These two parts in your motivation letter are very important. Unique qualities. Highlight your unique qualities, skills, experiences that make you a strong candidate. This could include any specialized skills, international experience, interdisciplinary perspectives, or personal qualities that set you apart. Future goals. Discuss your long-term career goals. For example, you need to state what you will do after you will complete that PhD program from that institution. So, how a PhD from this institution will help you achieve them. Consider how your research interest and program will prepare you for a successful career in academia, industry, or any other relevant field. Fit with the institution. Explain how you see yourself fit into the academic community at the institution. Mention any professors or research group whose work align with your research interest and show that you have done your research on the program. So here you need to write about your proposed supervisor's research interest, like you have very similar research interest to your proposed supervisor and how you will pursue your PhD under his supervision. So this part you can write about that. Contribution to diversity and inclusion. It applicable, discuss how your background, experiences, and perspectives can contribute to diversity and inclusion within the program and broader academic community. Conclusion. Summarize your key points, reiterate your enthusiasm for the program, and express your eagerness to contribute to the academic community. Proofread and edit. Before submitting your motivational letter, carefully proofread it for grammar, spelling, and clarity. Consider seeking feedback from mentors, professors, or peers to improve your letter. Remember to tailor your motivational letter for each PhD program. So you need to update your motivational letter if you are applying to different programs in different institutions. So you need to update your motivational letter according to that program. So as different program may have specific requirements or expectations, your letter should be well structured, engaging, and showing case your passion for your research and your strong fit for the program. Thank you so much for watching the video and best of luck for admission application. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.